Evening on tap across the area. This is a view from Johnson City. There's Roan Street and I-26 as you overlook the intersection there. A lot of folks out and about today. I was up at the Pinnacle earlier and boy, it was packed on this nice warm afternoon. 61 degrees, light northeasterly wind around 10 miles per hour. The air kind of dry, which with the lack of cloud cover tonight means our temperatures will drop pretty quickly into the upper 20s to low 30s across the area, thanks to those clear skies and dry air. Not just tonight, but really the next couple of nights, temperatures are going to get close to or below freezing. So do keep in mind the potential for some frost and freeze conditions. Not anything out of the usual this time of year. We typically see a frost or freeze potential all the way into the first part of April. Typically, I say around tax day. Sometimes even as late as Mother's Day is as long as you want to wait before you put any of those really susceptible plants in the ground, because otherwise they may get damaged. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon, pretty nice and mild, 64 degrees for a high temperature. Or kind of subtract or add a degree or two, depending on what locality you live in. Generally, let's say low 60s across the area. And a pretty nice day. A few clouds across parts of the higher terrain in North Carolina and into the far eastern Tennessee mountains, but a large part of the region is going to be cloud-free and, of course, rain-free through Sunday. We go into Sunday evening, Sunday night, clouds once again not around at all. That'll allow for another cold night. Then into Monday, same thing, although a few high clouds do try to work their way in later on in the day. And then more clouds on Tuesday ahead of our next weather system, which is going to push in Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Check out your daytime high temperatures here. What we typically see is around 60. And look at the upward trend from Monday into Tuesday and Wednesday. Same thing into Thursday with highs in the upper 60s to low 70s across the area. This is what's known as meteorological spring. Technically, it began on March 1st, today the first day of spring, if you want to look on the calendar. And look at how our temperatures generally have a nice little climb as we head into April and May, and especially towards the end of May, towards Memorial Day, our average high temperature hitting 80 degrees as we start to move into June. Pollen forecast across the area, it will be kind of elevated Sunday, Monday, especially Tuesday, but then a bit of rain comes in on Wednesday to help drop it down just a little bit. Our next weather maker, well, that's a chance for some rain showers as we head into the latter part of this week, kind of from about midweek onward. We're getting to Wednesday, and a couple isolated showers are possible, but into Thursday and Friday, higher rain chances pushing in. There's a pretty strong weather system developed out towards the west. You can see the yellows and some oranges popping up here, indicating heavier rain, and then some little bands here, which indicates to me that we could see some thunderstorms out of this as we go into late Thursday and into Friday. Kind of similar to last week, a little line of showers and storms out to our west, likely weakening a bit as it pushes in, but we'll keep an eye on it. I'll show you the instability index here, and remember, anywhere in the red is where we have a chance for some thunderstorms. Notice it's highest across the deep south into Thursday, but a little bit of that tries to work its way into our region by early Friday morning, giving us the potential for a couple showers and thunderstorms into early Friday. 7-day looks like this. I didn't put a rain percentage on Friday yet, although I think we could probably put around a 30% in the morning. And then after that, rain chances diminishing with just a slight chance of a shower into the weekend. Looking ahead to next Saturday and Sunday, another weather system looks to head our way. We'll keep an eye on that one. Long way out to watch. Temperatures this week, though, nice and mild in the 60s and low 70s.